up, beautiful? You looking gorgeous. So today I'm channeling my inner Rosie the Riveter, giving me some strength. I'm still feeling sick, but I'm getting a lot better. So I have two hairstyles for you. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with the very, very old but fluffy braid out. I have my hand dandy mirror. I have a hair tie so I can put my hair into a puff. I have some bobby pins. You need a red bandana. If you already have a jean shirt, then you're already on the right track. And let's get started. The first hairstyle is gonna be very simple. So I'm gonna take a section in the front, probably like this big. And actually I'm gonna twist it out the way. And then I'm gonna put the rest of my hair into a puff. I'm gonna take this section, I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna roll it up and slide my hand out so it looks like this, and then my bobby pin in place. I know it's looking a little puffy right now, and then I'm gonna take my bandana, fold it into a triangle, and then roll this triangle up so that it looks like this. I'm gonna take it, put behind my head, put like directly above my ears, and I'm gonna tie it right above this so it'll flatten it down a little bit because I know it's a little puffy. And double knot it, and there you go. Now I would use a little bit more bobby pins to keep it more secure. This is the final look. And the other hairstyle is kind of tricky to do with your natural hair, but I'm gonna show you how I figured it out. So I'm gonna have a section right here. I'm gonna twist this section up out the way, and I'm gonna put the rest of my hair up in a puff. Now for this section, the first step I'm gonna do is bobby pin right here because my roots are kind of poofy right now. Now that my roots are kind of pinned down, I'm gonna take 3 fingers, put them right here, right Casey, put them right here. Now for my ends, I'm gonna twirl them to protect them a little bit, and then wrap it right here under my fingers. I'm gonna take my 3 fingers and I'm gonna start to roll. I'm gonna slide my 3 fingers out, and I'm going to continue to roll upward and try to smooth down my flyaways as best as I can. I don't have any gel or spray, so. And then I'm gonna bobby pin this down so it can stay in place. And when you think you've added enough bobby pins to secure your little roll, go ahead and take your red bandana, fold into a triangle, and start to fold it up again. Take that bandana, put it behind your head, behind your ears, and then tie it right where you put that bobby pin at, if your hair was as poofy as mine. And this is the finished look. So Rosie the Riveter stood for feminists like myself. And she just stood for women empowerment, especially during that time period. So it's still an easy look to do today. This could be a go-to Halloween style. You have no ideas left, but you have a jean shirt and you have a red bandana and some bobby pins. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below. I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm trying to get these videos out for you, sis. Trying to get them out for you. But until then, bye.